Making your emails work for you. Perfect timing and responsiveness. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of email communication. Specifically, we will focus on the timing of our emails and responsiveness, because just as important as what you write is when you send it. So, join us as we learn about scheduling emails for appropriate times. Timing is crucial in effective email communication. Just think about it. If you send an email in the middle of the night, it might get buried under other emails by the time your recipient starts their day. On the other hand, an email sent during working hours may get a prompt response. Understanding the right time to send emails can significantly increase the efficiency of your communication. When scheduling emails, there are several factors to consider. Firstly, consider your recipient's time zone. You want to make sure your email arrives during their working hours. Secondly, consider the day of the week. Research has shown that emails sent in the middle of the week tend to get faster responses. Lastly, consider the urgency of your email. If a matter is urgent, it may be necessary to send it immediately, but be sure to indicate the urgency in the subject line. Now that we know when to send emails, let's talk about how. Most email platforms offer options to schedule your emails. This means you can write an email and then set a specific date and time for it to be automatically sent. This is especially useful when dealing with recipients in different time zones, as you can ensure your email arrives in their inbox during their working hours, even if you're asleep. Timing is not only about when to send emails but also about how quickly you should respond. Being responsive shows respect for the sender and their time. A good rule of thumb is to aim to respond to emails within 24 hours during the working week. If a longer reply is required, it's polite to send a brief email acknowledging receipt and indicating when you'll be able to respond fully. And that's a wrap on our discussion about timing and responsiveness in email communication. Remember, good email etiquette is not just about what you say, but also when you say it. Effective scheduling can increase your chances of your email being seen and promptly responded to. Thanks for joining us today, and happy emailing. Remember, the key to mastering any skill, including email writing, is practice. So, why not draft some practice emails and schedule them? Until next time, keep learning.